binary search mechanism. The binary search is also a searching mechanism. Here we search the target element on only sorted list of elements. Based on binary search, we only search the target element at mid position only. Here we have taken an example array consisting of 6 elements, but they are not in sorted order. Now we have to rearrange the elements into sorted order because binary search only performed on sorted list of elements. The list of elements are now in sorted order, and the list consisting of 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 9. They are in ordered list. Now we can perform search. That coming to the target is 1. Now we have to search the target. Every time we can search the target on mid position itself. Now coming to the index values, 1 is present at 0th index, 2 is present at 1 index, 4 is present at 2nd index, and so on. The starting index value is 0 and the ending index value is 5. Then the mid value, low plus high by 2, as 0 plus 5 by 2 is equivalent to 2. Then the mid value is present at index 2. Now the target element is searched with index 2. Now the target element 1 is not matched with the mid value. Then the mid is compared with the target element is compared with the mid value as mid is greater than mid, or the target is lesser than the mid. Okay, then go to the 1. 1 is smaller compared to mid value. 1 is smaller compared to mid value 4. Then the target is set in the left part of the mid value. Coming to the left part, the list consisting of only 2 elements, 1 and 2, because before mid we have only 2 values. The 1 is compared with 1 and 2. Now the low value is the same as index value 0, and high value is changed to mid minus 1. Mid minus 1 is 2 minus 1. The index is 1. Then mid value is calculated based on low and high values. 0 plus 1 by 2, that is equivalent to 0. 0 plus 1 by 2 is equivalent to 0. Now the target value is compared with the mid value as 1 is equals to 1. Then search successful, and it returns the index value as 0 because the target element is compared with only mid position element. Now the search successful in binary search mechanism. In the binary search, the list is in sequential order or ascending order. Coming to the target, for the example 2, we change the target. The target is now 6. Coming to 6, the 6 is compared with the middle elements itself. First we have to initiate the low value as 0th index and high value as index 5. Then the mid value is 0 plus 5 by 2 is equivalent to 2. Coming to the mid value is at index 2. Now the mid value is compared with the target 6. The mid value 4 is not equivalent to target 6. Then the 6 is compared with mid value as left side or right side. The 6 value is greater than the mid value. Then we go for the right part of the list. The right part contains mid plus 1. The low value is equivalent to mid plus 1. Coming to the target element is not matched with the mid value. Then the target value is compared with the mid value as greater value or smaller value. If it is a smaller value, then go for the left part of the list. But the 6 is greater compared to mid value, then we go for the right part of the list. Then the left part will be removed and the low value is changed as mid plus 1. Mid plus 1 means index 3. Then the high value is the same. Coming to the high value is 5 and low value is 3. Then the mid value is 3 plus 5 by 2 as index 4. Now the mid value is compared with index 4. The target value is compared with the mid value as 6 is compared with 3. Then the 6 is not matched with the mid value. Okay, then if it is not matched, then we will compare with the 6 is smaller than the mid value or greater than the mid value. Now 6 is smaller than the mid value 8, then the list is subdivided into subpart as we go for the left part. Left part, the mid value, okay. Now the list contains only one element as 5 and the mid value is at index 3 and the high value is changed towards to the mid minus 1. Mid minus 1 is 3 and low is 3. 3 plus 3 by 2 is 3, index 3, then the mid is at index 3. Now the mid value is compared with the target element as 6. 6 is not equals to 5, then it goes for the right side. Right side, if it is goes to the right side, then low value is incremented by 1. Then the low value becomes 4 and high value becomes 3. If it is not matched to the initial condition of the binary search, low need to be smaller or equal to the high value, but low is higher compared to the low value, then that search unsuccessful because the target element 6 is not present in the binary search. This is the example for unsuccessful search. Coming to the time complexity of binary search. Coming to the binary search best case, it is O of 1 and worst and average cases O of log n. Thank you all.